we'll guide you through how to use 3D gold color in Illustrator. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, start by launching Adobe Illustrator and opening the application so you can begin a new design project. Next, click on New File to create a fresh document. Choose a preset size that fits your needs, then click Create to open the project workspace and prepare the artboard. Since this tutorial uses a color and material effect, you first need an object that the effect can be applied to. Select a drawing tool from the toolbar to create the object. For this example, the object will be a gold coin. To make it, choose the ellipse tool from the toolbar. Click and drag on the artboard while maintaining equal proportions so you create a perfect circle. Once the circle is ready, go to the menu bar and click Effect. From the available options, choose 3D and Material to access the three-dimensional effects. In the submenu that appears, select Extrude and Bevel. After selecting it, an adjustment window will open and display the available settings for the effect. Set the 3D type to Extrude, then adjust the extrusion amount until the object gains the depth you want. Next, enable the Bevel option. Open the Bevel Shape menu and choose Classic Outline. Continue adjusting the bevel settings until the circle begins to resemble the edge and profile of a coin. When you are satisfied with the shape, move to the Material section of the panel. Browse through the Material library and locate Gold Natural. Click the material to apply it to the object. After the material is added, the shape will take on a textured gold appearance that better matches the look of a real coin. To improve the result further, go to the Lighting section and adjust the visual effect settings. Experiment with the lighting controls to refine the highlights, shadows, and overall presentation of the gold surface. Finally, take your time reviewing the design and make any remaining adjustments needed to perfect the appearance.